Welcome to the George Brown Library Learning Commons. This video will demonstrate using library search to find and access books, articles and other materials. We're going to begin by showing how to search by starting with a research question. We're going to use the research question, how does social media impact mental health? First, you will need to identify the keywords in your research question, which you can use as your search term. Keywords are the main ideas from your topic. It's important not to search for whole sentences. So what are the keywords from our statement? The keywords are social media, mental health. Go to the library homepage at www.georgebrown.ca/library-learning-commons and enter your keywords into the search box on the homepage. And click Search. A list of results will appear including all of your keywords. The results will contain books, journal articles, newspapers, videos and much more. Our search produces a lot of results. To limit your results to one type of resource, you can use the filters on the left-hand side of the page to help focus your search results. For example, you can filter your results by resource type. Let's select articles only. Click Apply Filters. To see only recent items, you can filter your results by date to look specifically at the past 5 or 10 years. Click Refine. You can also filter your results by excluding peer-reviewed journals and open access resources if you want your results to focus more on magazines and trade publications. Exclude peer-reviewed journals. Exclude open access. If you want to clear your filters, under Active Filters on the top left side, click Reset Filters. But let's return back to our search looking for social media mental health. Let's take a closer look at our search results. First, we recommend signing in. To sign in, either click Sign In on the yellow banner or the top right-hand side of the screen, click on the Sign In button. Being signed into Library Search means you can access full resources, save items, create lists, and save searches for the future reference. In the results, you can see that each section represents a different item, with the title at the top and more information about the item below. Once you have found an item relevant to your topic, click on the title link. Here, in the Details section, you can read a description of the article. To read the full text of an article, click on Read Online. To access the full resource, you will need to sign in. If an article is relevant to our research topic and we want to save a copy for later use, we can click on the envelope, Email in the Send To section. Enter your email address, and click Send. You can find the permalink. This is a link that takes you directly back to the resource page. To find the permalink, click on the overlapping paper clips. You can then copy the permalink to your clipboard. Note that bookmarking your web page or saving your URL at the top will not work, as it expires after you leave the page. You can also generate a citation for the resource. Select the citation style indicated by your instructor. For example, click on APA 7th edition. You can then copy the citation to the clipboard. To close the record, click on the cross. On the results page, if you want to save useful articles to view later, you can click on the pin icon. You can view these in your favourites at the top right-hand side of the screen under the pin icon. You first need to be signed in to use the pin feature. You can also email, cite, and find the permalink from the results page. To access the full text of your article, you can click on either the Read Online, Get PDF, or Available Online. If you would like to locate print resources, click Books from the resource type. And the in-library filter, the availability will show you the library location and the call number for the resource. This tells you where the item is located within the library. The record will also show you alternative versions of the text and where to access. Let's go back to our results list. If you would like to view an online book, click Books, click Available Online. You will then see in your results pane a list of all the available electronic ebooks. Click Available Online. And then to access the ebook, click on one of the links from Full Text Availability. Then click on the links to either download or view the full text PDF. For further help, contact the library www.georgebrown.ca/library-learning-commons/contact.